Hello and welcome to another TA Tech Tip. In this Tech Tip, we'll show you how to install the UV Curing Accessory on the ARES-G2. To begin installation, place the light source to the right side of the instrument and connect the power cable. Next, connect the P3 port on the light source to the COM2 port on the instrument with the communication cable. Attach the back of the UV light shield to the upper mounts on the ARES-G2 using the 2mm hex keys. Obtain the collimating lens and affix it to the light shield with the black knurled knob. Attach the UV upper geometry with the mirror facing the collimating lens and the scribe mark aligned as shown. Install the disposable parallel plate geometry to the bottom fixture. For temperature control, the APS accessory is required. Remove the protective caps from the light guide and insert the thin end into the collimating lens by the stress relief grip. Secure with the light guide screw underneath the lens. Next, take the thick end of the light guide and insert it into the light source. Once this is all set up, you can attach the access door with the spring-loaded hinges. Align the collimating lens to the upper UV geometry mirror and tighten the alignment screws. Attach the UV sensor geometry to the disposable plate and socket the UV light sensor off-center. Once this is in place, apply approximately 100 grams of axial force with the control panel. Power on the light source and let the bulb warm up. This can take several minutes. When the light source stops flashing, set the power to 25%. Rotate the lower geometry to make sure the light is the same intensity at 4 locations that are 90 degrees from each other. Use the alignment screws on the light shield to adjust the collimating lens to achieve an equal light distribution. Socket the light sensor in the middle of the UV sensor geometry for the calibration reading, and apply 100 grams of force again. Take a reading on the radiometer. Click the Trios icon and go to Options. Select ARES-G2 and Accessory. Select UV Curing as the active accessory and select your light source. Enter the calibration value from the radiometer at 25% power. To set up a test, select Conditioning UV Curing step and set power, the delay time, and duration for the UV exposure. Follow the conditioning step with the oscillation time or oscillation fast sampling. Select the temperature if using a Peltier system, the duration, sampling rate, strain amplitude, and frequency. Finally, select the sampling cycles option. In this tech tip, we covered installing the UV Curing Accessory on the ARES-G2. Please subscribe for more helpful tips from TA Instruments, and thank you for your interest.